Another day of increasingly familiar statistics, updating case numbers, new exposure sites and the growing number of Canberrans in quarantine.
We have recorded 16 new COVID-19 positive cases. That brings our total active cases associated with this outbreak to 137.
The number of exposure sites has grown to over 360, with 37 new sites added today.
We have over 13,500 self-identified close contacts who we're continuing to support in quarantine, and over 6,100 casual contacts.
The virus is spreading across Canberra, with new exposure sites at the Erindale shops in Tuggeranong and at a childcare centre in Nichols in Canberra's north. At that close exposure site, the Bright Bees Early Learning Centre, a positive case had repeated and prolonged exposure over 4 days. Now, for the first time, Canberrans aged 16 to 29 will be able to register for the Pfizer vaccine. But they're unlikely to even get their first injection until mid-October. The Chief Minister critical of the Commonwealth for the lack of supply, but he says older Canberrans who are eligible should get vaccinated.
It's an obligation I feel very strongly about, that we owe it to the people who haven't had the opportunity to get vaccinated, the young people, the kids, to give them that opportunity, to buy them the time to get vaccinated.
Andrew Barr's call to be more ambitious, to be more kind of dedicated to supporting young people, he's absolutely right. And I think that the other states and territories and the Commonwealth need to lift their game.
Extensive and rapid testing is key to keeping ahead of the Delta variant, but it was limited today with the Brindabella drive-through site closed because of rain. The government says it will be ramping up testing in coming days. Also today, some essential building work restarted, including at the Canberra Hospital site. But many in the industry want more sites to be reopened under a COVID-safe plan developed with the industry.
If some are able to work safely, why can't I work safely? Our position and our call to the ACT government here is to open up the entire industry, all at the same time, all in a safe manner.
Compliance with the range of rules and regulations in the construction sector isn't always 100%. I think Canberrans know that.
Mr Barr praised the industry for its cooperation, but says the plan needs to be workable and enforceable. As for the way out of the lockdown, whenever it happens, Andrew Barr is clear it will be gradual, with no large public gatherings and continuing restrictions. Gordon Taylor, ABC News, Canberra.